it's Giorgio. I'm here for just to do the cooking. In my cucina, JD, he do the cooking. So stay the turn. Hi folks, and JD here, and we'll be doing toasted chicken ravioli today. And you can do this two ways. You do it toasted in a fry pan, or you can boil them in water. And we'll get to showing you the ingredients in a minute here. Chicken ravioli. Oh boy. So what we have here is some garlic, about 4 garlic chopped up and diced, parsley, black pepper, chicken fillet, some Romano cheese, 2 eggs, and flour. So you want to take your chicken fillets and here, and we're gonna just cut them up like this. Okay. And they're gonna go right in that bowl right up there. Got that all minced up, and we have the garlic here, the 4 garlic diced, about a half a teaspoon of pepper, a tablespoon of parsley that goes in the bowl. Okay. And you're gonna take, not that spoon, take a tablespoon, get your Romano cheese out, add the Romano cheese into the chicken, like so, about 4 tablespoons, heaping, okay, and you want to mix this around, okay, like so, mix it around. Get it nice and coated. Like that. Now I make the dough next. So we put some flour in here, about 2 cups. Right to the top. Like so. Put some flour on your board. Spread it out. To the side. Make a little divot in here. Wrap your egg. There's a lot of uses for this egg. Good calcium for the garden. And I like 2 eggs in mine. And mix it through. It's a messy procedure, but mix it through. Take some technique here. Roll it off your hands. Turn it to the center of the board. We add a little water to it. Have something like this, okay, and we're going to cut them like this, like this, like this, and I'm going to try to get some ingredients in each one of these, okay, like so, the cheese and the garlic. That. I'm going to wrap them up. And I'm going to drop these in the oil. Okay, like so. It'll take quite a while to cook. These served with sauce. Ooh. A little burnt there. We gotta get the sauce out. Over here. You want to turn these over. This neat little basket here. See that pan that's right there? There, that's what you want. Okay. And go a little more here. And we got to put the sauce in the microwave for a few minutes. Got some nice hot tomato sauce here, and we're going to take these bad boys out of here. Put them on over here. Sorry for my elbows. Put these right here. Nice little strainer she got me for Christmas. Okay. And put this over here. Wash. And we want to put a little tomato sauce on them. And put the chicken. And the Romano cheese. And there you go. That's a homemade fried ravioli. I'll show it to you. With chicken. Hope you like the recipe. Have a good day. I make sure you cook it, don't worry. See you next time. Ciao.